without opening my eyes, using smell and touch. And I also learned that I can do anything.
So you had fun?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Yes, ma'am. Please share your experience. And this is such a miracle for me. In 2 days, that is very, very surprising for me. I thought maybe even if they train, I've seen children do it, but within one day, within a few hours, if that can happen in my son, I never believed. so I'm so very happy. I'm so happy, and I'm sure that his focus he will be using in all other fields in his life also. Now it seems like all miracle and all. But when Aruna ma'am says every child has this power already and everything, I believe in her. So I believe in my son also. Every child has that power. But I didn't know how to bring out that. Thank you so much, Aruna ma'am. So I was able to really bring out the genius in my kid. Thank you.